777. All hands on deck. Type in the chat. Whoa, hey, thanks so much. It's Freddy. Appreciate that, brother. He's getting that treasure on crypto. It's the time, crew. Go get that treasure.
Here.
Good afternoon, traders, and we're live, 12:45 p.m. West Coast, USA. This is epic. We're getting some big moves. Stock market's about to close, but crypto's just waking up. Let's fucking go. New Year rally is the real deal. Bomba engaged. That's what it's all about right now. S&P, whatever. Litecoin straight up. It doesn't hurt. It hurt. It's helping. So S&P bouncage. That made attraction. Litecoin pushing 80. Guys, $100 tonight. $100 right now. Any day now. Any minute now. It's doing it again. It's like it never even went down. It's time to be excited about it again. It was back here. We were ready to hit 100. Failed to do it the end of the year. No end of the year breakout. And that's kind of where the S&P comes in. Same thing. Litecoin was booming back here. No breakout end of the year. But it's awesome because New Year rallies going strong. Great to have you all here today. We got Vitaly, Freddy, Resto Spec, Ocean Goose, Big Soda Lime, Hitstock, Stock Wizard, Corey, Tomas Green Pro, Ted Soda Lime, Matt the Tat, LaRue, Rob, Hyperion, Josh Covey, Long Mountain. Stock Wizard just realized she doesn't have enough Chris Go. S&P 0% right now. Well, I'm glad we didn't watch the 5-minute S&P chart all day long. What the fuck? Primus. Bitcoin. We'll go through some stocks before the bell. Here's Bitcoin sending it as well. So we got the S&P going up, Bitcoin going up, altcoins. What else? What else? Crypto stocks. Stuff like backed holdings. One. So it's the whole crypto market cap. Here's the last munch. Y'all remember that? The whale's munching it down there. I mean, look at it now. Way beyond. Alright. We're getting squeeze action, lots of stocks too. Well, speaking of crypto stocks, BTBT, Bit Digital, is one of them. Top of the list. HOFE, I pointed out in the weekend update video. I have been posting frequent updates on Discord for the members. So if you don't want to miss any other fire content, join us on Discord. We're not going to stare at the 1-minute chart on Ding Dong. There's bigger things going on. That's all just popping up. It's all about the swing right now, the bigger picture, the New Year rally. It's gonna last a few months. It's not just today, it's not just next week. Be a good chunk of time, like the whole first quarter. Gotta bake that pie. Last accumulations. My goodness. Grayscale Litecoin. Crypto stocks. See how it all links together? The dollar dip. The S&P strong. The New Year rally. Crypto stocks. the last accumulations. What? It's not gonna come back down, because why would? There's no reason to go down on any of this stuff right now. As long as the S&P continues with the New Year rally, there's gonna be lots of stocks, lots of crypto green for a long time. Long enough to run it up big. We should at least be hitting 5 on that. It's up 10% today. Right, like even day every day since the new year. Look at it. That's like December 30th. Right there. The very bottom. We gotta take advantage while they're low. All time low. Let's fucking go. Let's get that crypto. I don't even want to talk about it. We're just glossing over the stocks. No, let's run through some of those. It's just that top of the watch list is going to be some kind of random ones. I doubt anyone's been accumulating HOFE. But it is a drop opportunity. Ocean Power. OPTT. Double bottom. We're seeing that a lot. And now the new year. Holy fuck, that trend, like, you gotta realize, like, hitting all-time low December 30th on these things, and then doing this on the new year. That's a hard pivot. It's kind of like ignore all that end of year stuff, and this is what it's really doing now. I was going straight up, sincere. So honestly, the market's probably the best they've ever been in like 2 years right now. And the FUD's also the most extreme. How much FUD's all over the media, holy fuck. And the YouTube landscape's desolate. So, appreciate you all hanging out today. We're gonna continue the party on Twitch after. There's a million different channels, TV shows you can watch. But we got the best community, the best audience. I continue the party on Twitch after the stocks, after the crypto. Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. Play some games, maybe watch some videos. I've prepared. Actually, I want to talk about AI. If anyone's up for it. I've been getting more interested in AI stuff going on lately. I want to dive into that, have a conversation about it. So we'll do that after we finish the stocks and crypto. And I've been hanging out there most weeknights, playing video games, listening to music, talking to people, and it's been a lot of fun. And we're just not staring at the 5-minute charts, but we're still talking about all the good stuff. We're still dropping the fire out there, building the community, socializing. want to mention that you can find me out there if you want to socialize. We can still hang out, have a great time together. It doesn't have to be about the 1 minute day trade all the time. TCAT, crypto stocks again. TCAT's no surprise. It's too low. Too low, time to blow. TAL. Back on deck, back at it again. New Year Ellie's gonna get it through. It's just like Litecoin even. Same kind of cycle. Think about the timing on it. This is end of year on TAL, strongest stock. Like, those are all the strongest stocks. No, don't worry about Powell speaking tomorrow. Fuck all of that. It doesn't matter. No, it's all about the charts right now. So, this represents everything. It's not just TAL. Nice, Josh. Great job with that. Said Tal's my best trade ever. Yeah, if you got the perfect entry on it, it was like 500%. Tommy Link, underwater. Yeah, so guys, I'm not doing the live show to get new viewers right now. You know what I mean? The live show is not about getting new viewers anymore. New viewers are fucked. They're on their own. I got your back. It's for the OGs, it's for the real team. So that changes how I approach it, like not streaming all day every day, hoping new viewers trickle in. Like, just tell you the important shit you need to know to crush the trade. Like, I want to teach you how to really fucking trade throughout market cycles, not just day to day, week to week, month to month, but cycle to cycle, bull run to bull run, rinse and repeat over and over. You got through a whole fucking cycle. Really, I'll be very proud of yourselves. Ready for 10? Your friend's down bad on FUD. Sorry to laugh at it, it's just, it sounds hilarious. I remember that. The company. I always laugh when I think of that company. Headstock is your favorite, right? Here's Headstock. That's what they make. I was always down bad on it. We gotta laugh about it, real. It's the market crash is responsible for it. It's not, the company could be raking it in. They could be making insane profits. Still market crash, doesn't matter. The stock got hammered. But it's a hilarious concept. And I always had doubts about it in the sense of, look, like, my skepticism about this is supposed to be for the sidewalk. It's not supposed to be driven on the road. Supposedly. They're making it to go like shopping malls and like security people, right? Yeah. Futurized golf cart. So I don't think it's even road legal. Like, look, he doesn't have a helmet on, so it's basically riding a motorcycle without a helmet. You're not allowed to do that in a lot of states. That's my problem with it. And it looks silly. I'm not sure how popular it'd ever be. Damn, 10 million market cap. That's nothing. Headquarters in Eugene, Oregon. I live in Oregon. I'll go check it out. So, like, you know, a ton of stocks got hammered in that same way, and it was a hype bubble back there. Is it doomed? It's probably hit its limit. Damn, that's I know this isn't the most important thing going on right now, but it's fun. Interesting. I already see some. Can you spot it? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Probably not. I'll give you a minute before I draw it. Not this. Like, that's extreme as fuck. That looks like Mullen crash last year. And Mullen had one of the biggest bounces after that. By the way. Did you see egg futures were moving? Toilet paper puts. Did you guys see egg futures? I don't know if it's it. It looks like it might be. Eggs were booming. Commodity market. Eggs like doubled. Eggs won 100%. It was trending on Wall Street Bets. I just wanted to buy 100K worth of eggs a year ago. It went from 1 to 5 on the eggs USD per dozen. What the fuck? That's like the old corn trade. The old Wall Street Bet corn trade. Iowa storms hit and the cornfields got demolished. The price of corn skyrocketed. Is there a chart on here for that? Yeah, I think this is it. Eggs grade A, large per dozen. US per average. Yeah, now it's probably topped out. I mean, how sustainable is that? How far is that gonna fucking go? Like $10 per dozen eggs? Like, there's a limit there. It could hit like 7 or something crazy. Magic number. But that's, think about it, like that's really the price of eggs. Like, can't go up forever. It would come back down. How did we get onto that? Sundial's kicking in. Back on. Refocus. We're having fun today. Markets are booming. We're excited and in a good mood. Let go my ego. I do want to get some analysis in here on the real charts without further ado. So the FUD crash, because you gotta keep in mind, like any of these ones I'm talking about or showing, if it was just this one, if this was unique, I would just say that and be like, oh, this one's fucked, it's going to zero, whatever. There are other charts that look exactly like this, I'm sure. Even like Sphere 3D is pretty close, guys. Insane downtrend a whole year. Pretty close to what this did. This one's like parabolic down though. So I wonder if anyone like can spot anything to draw on this chart. Like, it's not just at. Okay, first of all, look at this chop right here, and notice there's like a split right around there. So it sold off really hard into that split, even meaning like it wouldn't just reverse split tomorrow all of a sudden or next month or something. So that's already done. It looks like it stopped going down. Why? Like, how come it's not down here today? It's kind of random, right? Or is it? Or is it? You see how this lines up? So that's not random at all. Like, traders or hedgies or whales, somebody's buying it there. That's probably all of them, all the above. So it's very much like mulling back here. Just like this part on mulling. Parabolic down. And then it was one of the strongest bounces out of anything. It went 700% after that. And then beyond that is too far in the future. Like you couldn't really say what this one would do after that, but fuck. But fuck. Trading is not all fun and games, but fuck. With the new good thing I don't have commercials with the new YouTube monetization policy. Hey Angelina. Shout out to the ladies. Oh, the market closed 10 minutes ago. So, after that, beyond that, speculative, it's too far in the future to say where the rest of the market's gonna be. We have ideas about it. I have an idea about it. It's New Year rally, and then we sell off. But that's good enough to at least hit a target like that on stuff like this, and then dang, that's 10x, guys. That's $250 to $25, 1,000%. So even that one, which is like, I don't even really believe in the company because it's those scooter things. It's not that hype of a company or anything at all, and like terrible history on that. It's not dead. It's not crashing to zero. It's probably about to bounce 1,000%. And that's representative of a lot of different charts, okay? So like that one, whatever. Forget that one, but there are other ones that are similar, like Central Electric or not. That's pretty much parabolic down. Hey Drake. So it's kind of like this on Central parabolic down. It's like they're not going to zero. They're trying to bounce 10x. They're trying to mega bounce huge numbers. So I want you all to be brave, but and you actually can start getting excited for stuff like that, right? It's not false hope, like it. Okay, I'll show you. It's not false hope. Some of them already fucking done it. Look at this one. All-time low back there. Boom. 1,500% straight up. So fasten your seatbelts. Those kind of moves we can lead into. I guess not false hope. Even on that FUD one, that's brutal, can do something like this and actually hit 10x targets. And you see it right there on Kaba. So that's how this one actually can for real go 1,000%. Like, it's not just saying it for no reason. We're hoping for it. We're seeing it fucking happen on some of them already. So last year is December 2021, and then 2022 is this. where did it go up to? Like it hit way down, all-time low. Lawn boy in the house. Lawn boy left to check John Deere chart. That's a full recovery. Like it went all the way up from where it broke down and crashed from originally, like last year. So that's very promising. That means a lot of charts that look like this, or they were red all 2022, can get a full recovery of that downside. There's a lot of hidden bangers right now. We're not even gonna have time to go through them all, because my goodness, like I went through like every single chart on the watch list over the weekend, and there's a lot going on. And it's kind of hard to notice it all because it doesn't necessarily change day to day. Like, let's say Tesla. It hadn't been changing too much there, so it's hard to see that anything's even happening, but it certainly is trying to turn up. So it's like there's a lot going on there. You might not really notice it. And then you got like the lucid bounce, and Tesla's helping the whole EV market go up like that. The sentiment's coming back for the EVs in that way. So there's a lot happening there with the lucid. Hard to realize it if you don't know all that other stuff, or you're watching it too closely day to day in that spot. It would just look like it's kind of chopping there flat, and you'd probably be waiting for it to come down to 5 still, but like we got major dollar dip action and everything. That's a development right now, as in it's starting to leave that whole area with the new year. Meaning we're starting to really head towards our targets. Get more and more breakouts, mega bounces. We're already so like Lucid hasn't really moved yet, but Peloton already has. Peloton's already firing back up. And now Ride's going for it from under $1 there. We know it's just a big shakeout stop point. It's good to see it already turning back up. Right direction. Not much is actually going down like this. Nicola's starting to put in the bouncage. Right on track. Yeah, and Virgin Galactic too. Yeah, all those ones together. They're sitting comfortably right now. Virgin Galactic already hit the breakdown point right here. He's suspect. Breaking down here, big shakeout, all-time low. It's fucking go. It's already back up. That's the important part. It's as if it never even broke down. and we knew it was the entry area. The thing was, the awkward part about it never went that far down. So if you had gotten some Virgin Galactic like $4, right, and then it was down at 350, it's kind of whatever. It's not down enough to double down. If it had gone down to $2, it would have been a sick double down and bounced way back up. It never really moved that much. So it's been comfortable here. That's not bad for a shakeout at all. Like, that was nothing. It wasn't even actionable. It was just all of this being accumulation under 5. So now, damn, the New Year rally, it looks like it'll actually clear all of this downtrend, and we're seeing more and more of that. There's major fucking downtrends from back here, lasting like all year last year, and they're getting through, clear for liftoff. Gap below. Yeah, don't worry about any gap below. This area, what up? Okay, look. She coming okay. This. If you see something technical, a gap target, some kind of technical pattern, like, oh, there's a cup and handle on the 5-minute chart, it doesn't fucking matter. None of that matters right now. The bigger picture is everything. Is gonna overpower anything on the short-term chart. Doesn't matter. I don't care what you see on like the 5-minute chart at the last week or whatever. Fuck all that. The dollar dip's gonna overpower it. So visually, what I'm saying is anything Virgin Galactic, right here, like you see some gap below in that area from last week, or like some kind of pattern there, it doesn't matter. Fuck all that. This is about the general markets. Are we in the market crash or not? That's all that matters on stuff like this. If we're in the market crash, it's gonna keep going down. If the S&P gets annihilated, it's gonna keep going down. If the S&P is strong for a few months, it's gonna fucking pop off. It's that simple. Good news. We know what it's gonna do. We're getting big dollar dip. We've been ready for it. We've had our bomba prepared for months. Trending that way. We're just heading towards the final target on it. Like, it's the same thing that's been going on for a long time. We've known this. End of year rally, New Year rally, La Bamba. We're just gonna hit like the targets now. That last step before like a major pivot again. So we don't have to worry about a pivot right now of like the S&P pivoting down, Bitcoin pivoting down and fucking crashing is what that means. S&P, we don't have to worry about that. Because it's the same thing that's been happening, that's been trending to strength for months now. And we're just gonna hit the targets now. Same thing from back here months ago. and then we don't have to worry about major pivot until later on up there. It's a major difference. Like, that's a huge difference in our approach. If there were signs of it crashing right now, that would change everything. So the good news is, like, we've known this for months, that like coconut bounce, end of year rally, and now we're still going for the new year rally. That's all in place. That means it's a good time to be accumulating undervalued plays at the all-time low, like Virgin Galactic. Because if we're not in the market crash, then that's why it is already bouncing, and again we hit real targets. Like all of that before would be build up for this part now. Get back up to 10. So we'll start with 10, like that's based on everything else I've been seeing, that's a good initial target. It's like back in this first kind of resistance spot. Hit a couple 100% from here. See, I might not be ready to go to 20 yet. It's just like TAL. Where it's like we'll try and hit those initial targets, lock them in, and then take it from there. So back to TAL. This is representative of a lot of bullish charts right now. Yeah, you guys got this. You got this. You can do this. You made it through the hard part. Like, it's only getting easier. And you see with the new traders, like, how could I explain all this to somebody brand new? Like, they wouldn't get any of that. It's too complex how it all links together with the dollar and everything. If you understood what I just said, you're doing fucking incredible. Like, you're already trading like a pro. You're gonna even understand what I was just saying. Yeah, already asking about ChatGPT. I want to talk about it on Twitch after we wrap up the crypto. So, Choosy suspect. He goes, hey, you're back. I was never gone. I've been streaming on Twitch. So we're gonna continue the conversation over there after this. Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. It's a new channel name, not my old one. And I have a video prepared about it, so we'll watch a video about it, I'll comment about it, and we can open the discussion up. Like Robert, here's a teaser, he posted something interesting on Discord about it. He tried to get it to program some kind of script to to pop up the grayscale Litecoin price. He tried to get OpenAI to write him code to display the price of grayscale Litecoin in a window. I couldn't do it, but told me what needs to be done. And it laid out specific steps of how to actually implement the code for it. It's kind of wild. I've never seen this before, and I'm a programmer. Like, I have a lot of programming experience too. And it tells you, like, oh, you need to hook it up with Google's Finance API key, and it actually wrote out some code for it. Maybe we can try it out. I'll try to run it or something. So it's actually really refreshing on Twitch because it kind of gives me the freedom to be able to talk about other conversations. When we're doing the stock show and we're staring at the chart, that's all my answers to all the questions are based around the charts, right? Somebody asks a question, then I pull up a chart and show you the answer. Like, so I can actually answer questions more open-endedly and check out other interesting things going on in the world. So let's see. I'm gonna be thorough with crypto. We'll keep going for like 30 minutes and then hop on Twitch. Let's get through the rest of the stock show quick. So yeah, like that's where I've been streaming lately. By the way, you can find me out there having fun instead of staring at the 1 minute chart. And it's been great so far. It's been a blast, it's been refreshing, and everyone's just in a good mood. It's not stressful trading and stuff, per se. So I know like a lot of the audience kind of misses just hanging out during the day. Like straight up. And I miss you too. That's why I'm doing it. I miss the company. I love having the company. It's a lot of fun. No matter what we're talking about or watching. Okay. You wanna look at Walmart or Rob? I'll take a peek at some of those big ones. What the fuck? Hey, really, you suspect? Meet Kevin said sell Tal at 6. What a noob. Why is he even talking about it? You know, a lot of those big YouTubers lost the most money on last year because I watched like their videos talking about it. The IPOs, Coinbase IPO. Remember that shit? Like, we were always bearish on that from day one. Robinhood IPO. We were always bearish on that. They have no idea what they're doing or talking about if they're investing in IPOs like that. That's just fucking stupid. How do you chart something where there's no chart? It's just like wherever the hedges they want to dump it, they dump it. Happens just like every time. Conspiracies about me, Kevin working for the feds. I wouldn't be surprised because he seems to get special like advantages over other people. He seems to get a lot of leeway. Did you know he bought an ETF and renamed it PP? So he jokes about PP, kind of like we do about Ding Dong. But like he actually bought an ETF and like fucking renamed it somehow. Like normal people don't do that kind of shit. Like, yeah, I want to buy an Denwo ETF, sure. Like, but what? That's not normal. How do you get approval for all that shit? Plus he's talking on YouTube about it all. Like, how's he allowed to do all that? So either he's friends with like 1,000 lawyers who are protecting him at every corner, or he's somebody, some kind of institution's helping him do all that. Yeah, they're exactly, Tommy Lane, like the Ride IPO, like pretty much any IPO. Here's Ride IPO, $10 area, right? First public offering, and it actually had a decent rally, like a year later, whatever. And then anything below that's all extreme. So $10, like exactly, that's the first big target on Ride. From here, from 1 back up to 10, where it IPO'd. That's what makes these ones attractive, actually, is they had rallies back there. It actually did have a decent history back there for like 2 or 3 years. Even Nikola. Nice bull run on Nikola back there. After the IPO, same $10 spot. So $10 Nikola target. More like 15, 20. That actually makes these attractive because they've had bull runs before, they've had solid history before. This is all market crash extreme. This is not. It's kind of unnecessary. Like they went way lower than they needed to or should have, and here we are. Okay, but the point is, without this rally back here, it wouldn't be very attractive. Because if it had never gone up in the past before ever, then why would you think it's gonna now? Let's put it that way. You know, it's gone crazy in the past before, stuff like Sundial. Holy fuck. That's what makes Sundial very attractive to this day. $20x Sundial back there. Can do it again. $20x again. Castor Maritime. Keep it simple, like it's done it before, it can do it again. And then you have stuff like Zella, high risk, high reward dice roll, penny stock is getting absolutely fucked. Probably is crashing to zero. There's no real good upside in the history of it. I mean, like, there is here, but the bigger picture, the full bigger picture. Like, see, when I came out, there was no rally there. It only really ever went down. So you have no reason to think this would ever go up, really. So that makes it just like a complete dice roll. That's why we don't talk about it anymore. Oh, okay, and now we'll bring it full circle. Tesla. How about Tesla? It's had a spectacular bull run in the past. That makes it very attractive if it crashes down to the bottom. Like, you see what I mean? Because of the solid history on Tesla, if we get the chance to pillage it down there, it's gonna be epic. Like, it's a no-brainer. Go from 20 to 200, and just the risk factor, like, you pretty much know it's gonna happen because it's so popular, such a big company. It's not a dice roll at all whatsoever. It's somebody. Oh, yeah. I kind of wanted to watch a video about that too. I'll give you a teaser. Here's what I'm thinking. Alright, so we're gonna move on to crypto in a second right here. Great question. Saitama rug pull, Luna rug pull, FTT rug pull. What's next? There's some others too that are rough like that. Celsius. Oh shit! Looks like it already hit the bottom. Look at those chops on Celsius. What the fuck? 93% down in the past 3 weeks. Looks like it hit the bottom there. We didn't even notice. There's a 93% today right now. It's at 100% bounce today. We probably should have paid more attention to that. Could have doubled our money on that one today. I was ready for it. I was watching it. Depends on the exchange too. Easier said than done. You saw to see how much I bought some yesterday? I know I had a nicer chart on this one. Oh, see how I got delisted off Bitstamp or something. So that one's pretty extreme, say the least. That's another kind of crazy rug pull. Alright, here's some videos we're gonna check out on Twitch after this. Some reaction to it. Oh, non-gamers are welcome. I had a request for this one.
AI can't be.
This is how the Fed will seize your money in 2023. Gerald Calente. I don't know who that is. American trend forecaster, publisher, Trends Journal, business consultant, and author. 76-year-old. So he's been writing about the markets for a while. So at least check that out and see what I think about it. I'll watch 40 minutes of that guy talking, but we'll take a gander. I wanna have a conversation about the chatbot stuff though in AI. And we'll start with this, kind of pay attention to AI, ChatGPT and beyond, Cold Fusion video 3 weeks ago. Kind of explaining all about what it's even doing. And there's another one about rug pulls. I have to check my phone again. I have another video about rug pulls. So like the increase in crypto rug pulls is up like 7,000% from last year or something. I'm kind of curious what they have to say about that. So like we'll continue the market conversation right off of the charts. Conclude the stocks, like we went through a lot of bullish signals there, like all the developments looking fire, and there's tons of them developing like that in that way, and kind of hard to notice day to day, and you just like trust the process of the New Year rally. It's your chat. You know, like Peloton, you just trust the process. Tesla, even if it's not doing much day to day, where's it gonna be a few months from now? Probably way up here. Dicom Hoshang. Nothing surprising. I don't see anything surprising. Oh, maybe one thing. This Kala one. Well, good thing I told people to take profits on it back here. CALA, there's some kind of like bankruptcy news or whatnot. It's getting toasted. It's down 80% right now. That's kind of a surprise. Just kind of random. I mentioned that on Discord. Besides that, you know, all our favorites, and that's why just in general we just want to sway away from these risky ones, this random bioscience, like fuck all that. I'm too late for puts, unfortunately. I was too far down already to do anything about it. Like, I wouldn't trade it at all. Because either it's crashing to zero or it's gonna bounce, and either way it doesn't look very attractive. It doesn't look good down or up, really. And it's too much of a coin flip. This would have been one where it's like, had you traded it to the upside here, taking a couple 100% profits, and then maybe went puts and you got lucky. Hey Arthur, back at you. So, one random heavy hammer spread. Everything else is on track that we care about, and it's so much so that even the bear charts are pretty fucking green. Like, there's it's hard to find something going down right now. Like, is AMC going down? I don't think so. No, it's not actively going down anymore right now either. GameStop can bounce from around here, even though there's no sign of it yet. Not really. Still going down, down, down. Tesla is already showing signs of bouncing. There's not much that's actually like going down right now per se. Here's Apple. That looks interesting because it's totally breaking down there, but still next few months it can test back up here one more time. Amazon's bouncing and it's starting to already. So much so that there's not really any bear charts. Like, John Deere's one of the only bear chart setups, and that's green today. Slightly. Doesn't really matter. But even the most bearish charts aren't going down right now. They're not. Wow, okay, Stock Wizard, be careful going for that Khaled dip. So this is bearish because all-time high, kind of like all-time low, let's fucking go. All-time high John Deere, and it's like, would it really keep going, blue sky breakout? Like, what's the limit? Is John Deere gonna be the only stock in the market to go to a crush brand new all-time high price discovery? Like, probably not. Probably not. So we'll stay bearish on that, and it could just linger. It could just like, okay, I have a really nice projection on it also. Like this. It is based off the last major crash, 2020, like here. So this is what it can turn into, and it's one of the most bearish charts because all-time high in the middle of market crash. Even that's probably not going to go straight down right away like this. So even the most bearish charts look like they're gonna be like fairly flat, stable, not really going down during the New Year rally, but after that. And that's pretty important because like even the most bearish, ugly ones are not going down right now. So the markets are pretty fucking strong then. See what I mean? It charged another one like that, spiking way up to the top, and we knew it might. We knew it might play out like this. One of the most bearish charts right now. Total bubble. And that's not going down. Cool. Alright, lastly, TAL, like last thing about this, representing a lot of the bullish charts. It's similar to Litecoin. It is just like Litecoin. Realize this could be like any chart right now. I might as well be looking at the Litecoin chart and it wouldn't be any different when I'm saying this. The end of year rally going strong for months back there. Didn't break out the end of year. It got way up, but didn't break out and hit like $20 target. Right? So they came back down to test support, just like touching support, the bottom levels, wherever that was on each chart respectively. Just like Litecoin at $80 came back down to 60 the same time. Now TAL is trying to break out 10 for real, the New Year rally, and now Litecoin's trying to break out 80 for real, the New Year rally. Here's Litecoin.
777.
Our third magic number. Piece of cake. I can wear my hat again. I didn't feel right wearing a hat when we were under magic number. So just like TAL, sees a similarity there. Just turning up the past few months. Just like TAL. But didn't break out the end of the year. Back down to support. And now it's pushing the breakout again. The New Year rally, like we're gonna get it. It's totally gonna happen with all this stuff, other stuff. If it was only Litecoin, then no. If this was the only evidence we had for that, then no. It's not an exception. There's Bitcoin's also starting to go too, right? It's back at it with the 17 breakout up to 20. I haven't changed this chart in weeks. Breakout retest. So if Litecoin's already pushing 80 and Bitcoin is kind of just getting started, and the S&P's got a lot further to go, we're gonna be hitting $100 Litecoin. I guess it's gonna happen with all that stuff together. If it was only Litecoin, maybe not. See, like Bitcoin still gotta get back up to 18.5 right now. And even just that is like a good amount. Litecoin's already at 80, so if Bitcoin has like goes green all week and Litecoin goes green all week, it'll go over 80. That means the pairings gotta be showing that. Litecoin Bitcoin pairing should be reflecting it right here. I haven't even checked, but like here's our chart from weeks ago. That's all it is. Nothing's changed. You know, the parabolic nature, even on the Bitcoin pairing. So that was nothing. That little sell-off a couple weeks ago doesn't mean shit. Hit real targets the New Year rally. It's really important though, because if we're in the market crash right now, it would do this. Kind of have to know that. But we've known it. The point is, we've known this for a long time. Like nothing's changed. We've been heading towards our targets, and that was kind of the problem there last month. Was nothing changed. Like we didn't hit the targets yet. Now stuff's starting to change more. Actually clear those levels. Okay, and again, I'll see that Ethereum pairing too while we're at it. See it hit the highest point, well, breakout line. See, like we're pushing breakouts like right now on this stuff already. On that blue line. That's a pretty decent target versus Ethereum, damn. And keep in mind too, like Ethereum can be going green, Litecoin going green USD, and this shows Litecoin's just gonna outperform Ethereum, as it's been doing for a long time. Like nothing's changed. That's the best part. I never doubted it for a second. About Litecoin versus market cap of all of the altcoins. It has been outperforming like a majority of the altcoins. This versus all of them combined. Same kind of thing. I would say it's already through. It's already happening. You see how that could have thrown somebody off though. There was a lot of FUD back there. There was a lot of chop on the chart, and it was happening fast, and you see how that could have like scared somebody out. And we just had to get through that for a month. And it's like it never even went down, and we're just about to get the real move. There are a lot of other ones very attractive right now. I noticed Dash. I got a Dash alert last night, $50. So Dash is pushing major breakout as well. This is what the sell-off looks like on Dash last month. Just that. Didn't do anything to it. So clearly, like, we had kind of breakout over the green line and then retest. And now we go to the real target, as we were expecting. If this was real market crash right now, like, they would be in trouble, guys. It would go back down to 30. Jasmine's bouncing too, my goodness, and it's already starting to clear that downtrend. The downtrend from like all year, some of these things have, and it's seemingly getting through already. Nano. Oh shit, Nano. Where'd I go? That's a big green candle. That's new. The new year. So there we go. Nano is like suspiciously flat. And we were ready. We knew it was fucking hidden treasure. I kept saying it like nano while it's still down. After that 200% squeezage. And here's the new year. Boom. Okay, right back up to there for now. That would be the quick move. I could see it spiking up there quickly and then building up some more. Okay, Filecoin. I don't know if anyone went for this or anything. We were just kind of monitoring it back here because it was outperforming a lot of other stuff at the time. Oh, look at that all-time low, smashed down 50%. Already bouncing major. So it's pretty clear, like, that was overreaction sell-off. And it's squeezing right back up to this spot now. I could see them building up more from there and then going again after. It looks pretty clear on this. It's pretty clear, and then it gets that move, it'll actually be deviating from that downtrend, like that same kind of downtrend a lot of them have. It does look like we'll get those moves. Spikes up, builds up some more, and then goes crazy. Moon's after. think of the market stay green for 3 months. Like 3 months is a long time to be green on crypto. How far could they go? Why did the bounce stop? Great question. Exactly because of this. It is exactly off that blue line diagonally. Which isn't really that relevant. It stops there momentarily because that's where like some traders would be selling it because they think it's gonna go down basically. Off that line. However, with all the other evidence we have, like remember Bitcoin right now, 17,000, get up to 18, 19,000, 20,000, that'll be enough green for stuff like this to push through. So probably when Bitcoin sees a bigger number there, like say Bitcoin is 18K and then this gets it. Sunbellion asking about how long to hit 16K Bitcoin. It already did. Like it's not. This isn't, there's no reason for this to go back down to 16,000 Bitcoin. 15,000, none of that. That's what all this was. That's what this was. It's already done that. It should really be like only up from here. It might go down slightly tomorrow or whatever. Right? Nothing, no more extreme sell-offs like that. No reason for that. So yeah, like that's why Filecoin stopped here, but now imagine Bitcoin like going green tomorrow and then this goes green tomorrow and then it's through. So we get those breakouts and then it'll probably build up here, right? Like retest that line. Kind of build up somewhere and then go. That's how I see this playing out. I see some of the others balancing at 5. Look at the orange diagonal line downtrend. Trying to get through. Just right up on it. Yeah, it seems like they're having trouble breaking through these resistances. Well, hey, look at this back here on Balancer where it clearly got through and then went back down. That's where it was really having trouble. Because we just weren't ready to go like hundreds of percents on crypto back then. So even this came down, even Nano came down. Now they're ready for that with the New Year rally. Now they actually can do that. So they're in great shape right now. They're not having trouble anymore like they were back here. That's over. That's history now. This should be pretty smooth this time. There's no reason for them not to now. Before it was too early, the end of year, the stock market was going down, the dollar was wacky, like federal announcements. There was lots of reasons for it not to go up there. Oh, and AMP was another major dunk one, so this is like Celsius and already bouncing. If it had dropped back down to that low point, it'd be worth the pillage. It's already going up though. And this shows too that this is one of the most bearish ones. We got a major rug pull one, and even that's bouncing. Not currently going down. Alright, cool. Put through a few others. Wrap things up. Oh, we're gonna head over to Twitch. Have a conversation about chatbots and AI. Curious Uniswap. No development. Strong enough. I'm curious those on Shiba Doge. Yeah. They're fine right now. Same with Doge is actually fine right now. Cause they already had their sell-offs. Like this was the sell-off on it. Now New Year rally. V-Chain is pretty low. Oh, that's setting up nicely on V-Chain, guys. We'll have to keep up with that. We'll have to keep an eye on V-Chain here. That was the last bear trap on it. Get up to like 10 cents target V-Chain there. For the initial. Just the initial, of course, not like the ultimate. Compound's way down there. Compound. You were too scared to get Solana, then how about Compound? Because it's actually reasonable. Fuck Solana. I'm curious though. One of the most bearish ones is bouncing like crazy. Oh, there we go. We're gonna monitor this one too, remember that? So we're gonna monitor at $10 is under 10. And we're expecting a bounce. Here it is. It's already doubled. It's already up 100% from there. So we were right. We were right that they're not crashing, they're just shakeouts, and they're actually having mega bounces. Remember Chainlink breakout at 7 and it didn't do it. It's hovering around 6. Like went through 7 on Chainlink completely, now hit the real target. It was looking good. I'm not seeing anything bad about it. It's not even uncertain, like it's pretty obvious right now how they're set up, and then we just let it play out. Just let them do their thing and make sure it all goes smoothly. Yeah, Compound though. It was fire because like also one of the strongest ones like back then at the time, and we didn't want to FOMO in when it was up. Well, it's back down, all-time low, double dunk. We were waiting for that. Now the targets are worth it again. Because back here is kind of FOMO and 10x targets. From down here, 30x, 3000%. So huge targets on compound that level right now. The YFI, of course. Same kind of double dunk. Not worried about it, see no problems there. The opposite. I'm excited about it. I see lots of strength there. Cool. So we're gonna hop over on Twitch now. Give me like 10 minutes, start it up. 15 minutes, make some coffee and smoke. Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. We'll have conversation about AI, that'll be fun. Set up an account so you can talk in the chat. You can go on there right after. Before I'm even out there, you can go to the chat and start talking. So the chat's already live out there. Light them if you got them. If something insane's happening with crypto tomorrow, then I'll do another market recap. Hold on to your booty. Thanks so much for all the kind words of support. Hope you all have an awesome rest of your day, and take care. See you on Twitch. Great job, everyone.